Welcome to Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada Smart Mind. I will guide you to learn English in 3 steps. This video includes the theory, an example, and some exercises. Together, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of prepositions, those small but mighty words that can change the meaning of a sentence entirely. Understanding prepositions. Prepositions are words that link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They are like the GPS of language, providing direction, time, location, and much more. Here, we will explore prepositions in detail, ensuring you master their usage with both precision and flair. Types of prepositions. 1. Prepositions of place. These tell us where something is. Examples include in, on, at, by, under, and between. The cat is on the roof. She lives in Canada. 2. Prepositions of time. These indicate when something happens. Examples include at, on, in, before, and after. We will meet at 5 p.m. He was born in April. 3. Prepositions of direction. These show movement towards something. Examples include to, towards, through, and into. She walked to the store. He ran towards the park. 4. Prepositions of agent or instrument. These show a relationship where an action is done by someone or something. Examples include by and with. The book was written by George. He cut the paper with scissors. Preposition usage. Using prepositions correctly can be tricky. Consider these tips to avoid common mistakes. At/in/on. Use at for precise times, in for months, years, centuries, and long periods, and on for days and dates. She arrived at 10 p.m. We met in 2020. The meeting is on Monday. By/with. Use by to show the doer of an action and with to show the instrument used. The cake was made by Sarah. He wrote the letter with a pen. Example using prepositions. Let's weave the theory into a delightful story. Once upon a time in Canada, in the small town of Digby, located in the beautiful province of Nova Scotia, there lived a cat named Whiskers. Whiskers loved to sit on the roof at sunset and watch the fishermen come home with their catch. One day, he noticed a mouse running through the garden towards the big oak tree. Whiskers jumped from the roof, dashed across the yard, and slid under the fence. By the time he got to the tree, the mouse had disappeared into a hole in the ground. Determined, Whiskers sat by the tree, patiently waiting for his chance to catch the mouse with his swift paws. Quiz time. Let's see how well you understand prepositions with a fun quiz. Choose the correct preposition for each sentence. 1. The cat is underscore the roof. A, in, B, on, C, at. 2. We will meet underscore 5 p.m. A, in, B, on, C, at. 3. She lives underscore Canada. A, in, B, on, C, at. 4. He ran underscore the park. A, to, B, towards, C, through. 5. The book was written underscore George. A, by, B, with, C, at. 6. She arrived underscore 10 p.m. A, on, B, in, C, at. 7. The meeting is underscore Monday. A, in, B, on, C, at. 8. He wrote the letter underscore pen. A, by, B, with, C, at. 9. The cake was made underscore Sarah. A, by, B, with, C, at. 10. We met underscore 2020. A, in, B, on, C, at. Quiz answers and explanations. 1. The cat is on the roof. Correct answer. B, on. On indicates a surface. 2. We will meet at 5 p.m. Correct answer. C, at. At is used for precise times. 3. She lives in Canada. Correct answer. A, in. In is used for countries and large areas. 4. He ran towards the park. Correct answer. B, towards. Towards indicates direction. 5. The book was written by George. Correct answer. A, by. By indicates the doer of the action. 6. She arrived at 10 p.m. Correct answer. C, at. At is used for precise times. 7. The meeting is on Monday. Correct answer. B, on. On is used for days and dates. 8. He wrote the letter with a pen. Correct answer. B. With. With indicates the instrument used. 9. The cake was made by Sarah. Correct answer. A. By. By indicates the doer of the action. 10. We met in 2020. Correct answer. A. In. In is used for years and long periods. Final thoughts. In this ever-evolving world, mastering prepositions can significantly enhance your communication skills. Their correct use not only clarifies your message but also makes you sound more professional and fluent. Remember, practice is key. As you become more comfortable with prepositions, you'll find your language skills improving in leaps and bounds. Speaking of leaps and bounds, ever wondered about the escape velocity's influence on the economy of governments? Just as prepositions guide us in language, escape velocity, a concept from physics, affects our economic landscape. It's the speed required to break free from a planet's gravitational pull, akin to the momentum our economy needs to overcome stagnation. Investing in technology, and sustainable practices helps us reach that escape velocity, propelling us towards growth and innovation. Our sponsor helps you with daily courses in English and French, and job searching, which is a very cheap and flexible way. It is just 20 cents per day and very adaptable to your lifestyle. Should any questions arise, I encourage them to reach us via our comments section. Moreover, if this content resonates with you and you know someone who would benefit from it, please share this video with them. Your feedback helps us create better content to meet your needs, so please leave your comments and give us a like and subscribe to support us. The links to our sponsor's website and the Canada Smart Mind School are in the description below. Remember, don't wait for a miracle, do the work yourself. With consistent effort, you'll master prepositions and open up new opportunities in your career and personal life. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.